Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial of how to tie your niqab. I'm not the type that covers my face, or neither do I discriminate those that cover their faces. I love it, it looks nice, and I feel like showing it to the world so you all can learn from the style I use. So let's just get straight into the video and enjoy viewing. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. The first thing we're going to do in this video is to the first thing we're going to do in this video is to fold the scarf into half, a longer side and a shorter part. So the shorter part is going to be at the front and the longer part is going to be at the back. Then you tie it over your face and adjust to your taste. Then you get the longer side and fold it. Just follow the step I'm using and you're going to like it. Adjust to your style. That's just all I can say. And I hope you enjoy viewing. Like, comment and subscribe. So guys, when you get to this part of the video, just make sure you're very careful about how you're going to make use of the pin so you don't injure yourself. You can leave it this way or you adjust, just tuck it in the way I did, or whatever you think is okay with you. Just move around with the scarf and trust me, it's going to look nice. And this is the final look. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you all, and till meet in the next video. Bye. Also, if you feel the veil is too exposed at the back, you can adjust it. Just adjust it to whatever way you think it's good. So this is it, and this is how it's looking like. I hope you guys like the video. Comment and subscribe. I know I've said this like how many times in the video, but yes, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.